Hey, this is Kevin. Thanks for coming back to the Project Cave. I am glad to see you here again. Today, we're going to look at this $1 flea market special. A really entry-level cheap block plane. It's a Stanley. It's kind of old. I'm not sure how old. But, you know, a lot of pressed metal on here. No big shakes. You know, this kind of cheap plane you can pick up for not a lot of money, brand new at the at a big box store. But, you know, it's a buck. Let's see if we can make this blade into anything decent. I like using a plane to knock corners off the edge of projects, you know, if that's what it calls for, and I like to do it by hand because it just puts a little more you into the project, I think. So anyway, we're going to do some shavings here to see if it can even take any shavings. Then we'll try a paper test to see if it can even get a D-. Hint, I don't think that it can, but we're going to take a look, then we'll sharpen it up. We will use some sandpaper and this Veritas Honing jig that was a gift from my mother a couple years ago. So anyway, let's take a look at this and get the shavings done and see if we can get this at least moderately usable. All right, here we go. Okay, so it did take some shavings off the edge. Shavings? I don't know. Let's move on to the paper test. I'm not real optimistic about that D-. I'm thinking it is going to get an F. At best, this would be a D-. I think the paper test could be an F. Maybe even an incomplete. Paper test, yeah, it tore the top. If you kind of used it in a slicing motion, you got to cut it. Not a clean cut. Shavings, it's kind of scrapings, you know, probably about what you might scrape off of a grill, something like that. That's about as smooth as those shavings were. So that's the good news, okay? We get to take this blade and make it usable. So first thing we're going to do is lay out some sandpaper on here, then we'll flatten the edge, and then we will start sharpening the bevel. looks a lot better. It is not quite a mirror finish, but it's getting pretty reflective, and you know, that's a good thing. The grits that I used for sandpaper, I went from 100 to 220 to 600 to 1500. Those are grits that you can easily find at a big box store somewhere in their paint section. And now it is time to get it into the jig. You slide the angle guide right here. Here is your adjustable angle stop. Okay, my blade is 30 degrees, so 30 degrees is where I want to be. Flip it over. Slide the blade right up against the stop. Tighten down. Loosen the guide and remove it, and you are ready to hone. Alright, this blade is definitely way sharper than it was before. Now we're going to see if we can get some shavings off here, but first let's see if it does a better job with any of this paper at all. It certainly is cutting quite a bit better than it was. So anyway, not great, not perfect, but it's dollar plane. So anyway, let's get this thing back into the plane and see if we can take a couple shavings. Alright, this plane, the blade anyway, is good enough to make some shavings. Certainly better than it was before, where I couldn't even go across that piece of pine, and now I'm able to make full blade width shavings. They're not the greatest in the world, but it's a dollar plane. So, and the blade is, a cheapo blade too. So, It's certainly good enough to knock the edge off of a corner or to put a quick dirty edge on something round, as you saw. So anyway, if you like this video, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the notifications bell so you don't miss anything new, and leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of this video or what you'd like to see in an upcoming video. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.